the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Got a half of a brick, told me feed my family.
What up, guys?
Welcome back to HabLu TV.
And if you ain't subscribed,
what are you doing, sis? So Merry Christmas and
Happy holidays.
So for today's video, because it's holiday themed, we are actually going to be gifting our family, our mom and our brother,
with a dog.
Yeah, with a dog. It's not for real, it's a prank. Okay, we are just gonna, those two are the most of our whole family, are the
They're
most
the
scared.
biggest chickens. And you guys saw our brother, this big 6'4" and a half, 6'5"
yeah.
guy, and he's so afraid of dogs.
Yeah, like it doesn't matter, big, small, he doesn't like them. Like, he literally will freak out. So the plan is we are gonna get our brother is in on the prank. Like, he thinks that this is a surprise, like a Christmas surprise for our mom, so he's gonna be filming on his side her reaction. But what we're actually gonna be doing is letting the biggest dog that we know, shout out to Prisca,
literally a wolf.
Yeah, we are gonna be like hijacking this dog, opening the door and just seeing what happens, and hopefully we get a really good reaction out of
it. Should be good. So make sure you stay tuned, watch till the end, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, we are putting ourselves at risk today. We don't know what the hell's gonna happen.
I really hope they better not hurt him. I don't think they're gonna hurt the dog.
They're gonna hurt him. They're probably gonna hurt us.
Yeah, they might hurt us.
They're gonna be so mad.
So we'll see. Yeah. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Okay, got the post.
Now we're on our way to get Prisca and Leo.
Oh, look at me.
Was that him? Oh my god. He's ready, you see him? Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so scary. So this is Leo, the star of the show.
The star of the show?
He wants to eat the camera.
Melly, Jeremiah,
this
Prisca.
is the co-star of the show.
Yeah. Hi!
Okay, wait.
Okay, Leo.
Oh my god! Okay, no, okay, there, that way.
Lay down, lay down.
Good boy.
Stay.
This guy's a wolf.
Oh. If it ties on, and then we can just stick the bow onto here, because it probably won't.
Yeah, that'd be good. On the blue thing.
Do you want like this?
Oh yeah, that's cute.
He's gonna eat it.
Okay.
Yay! Yay, Leo! You look so pretty. Oh my god.
Perfect.
Wow, handsome boy.
Okay, Leo, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Melly, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yay! Oh, he's hiding. Okay, so we're all here.
Let's go. Let's go spread some Christmas cheer.
Meanwhile,
I don't know.
Hello. So are you guys ready? Situated? Okay. Hi. So, hello, Mama and Aman. So this video is very special to us because obviously it's Christmas time. I know you're not expecting anything, but we really wanted to make it special for you this year. It's been a very tough year. Aman's recording on his phone as well.
I don't know how long this is. Okay.
Yeah, just no, you're good. So yeah, you know, it's been a very tough year for a lot of us, but we really wanted to make this, you know, a special year for you. So obviously we got you something that we hope you will really appreciate. I know you say you don't want anything all the time, but we really put a lot of time and effort into this, so we hope you really enjoy. So I'll be back. Just stay there 1 second. I'm gonna keep recording.
I don't know. My arm. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to extend my arm so I can get a good angle or whatever. Well, this is really nice inside, by the way. Yeah.
Do you have it? Okay. Make sure you talk to him. I have to use a deeper voice, be like, sit. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Leo, come.
Yikes.
Leo.
Are you guys ready?
Oh my god, Get out, get out. Get the fuck out. Get out! Get out! Get out now!
it's okay, it's okay.
Stop screaming! It's our new family! Why? Relax!
Leo, come on.
You're gonna make it bad!
Leo, come on, come on.
No! Get out! You idiots! Fucking idiots!
Look at
Oh my god.
you guys! He's
No! Get out! Now! You idiots!
Wow.
It's big! Look how big it is! Get out!
Okay,
So this
guys,
is our
it's okay.
Christmas present. Are you guys happy? Merry Christmas.
It's our family! Amen, no!
Okay, alright. It was a prank. You guys can calm down. It's not real. So you don't want to keep it?
He's not!
Look, yeah, it's a present.
You don't like it, you know that.
It's huge! What the hell do you want to do that?
It's a present. We wanted you guys to.
Surprise you.
Yeah.
You don't like our surprise?
How do you control that? Look! How do you control that?
Look, see, he's so calm.
Because if you guys scream, he gets hyper, but otherwise you
No! Well, we don't play about that shit. We don't play about that shit.
You don't like it though,
We
you
don't
know
play
that.
about that.
Look, he has a bow and everything, Mama. Come on. Look, he hasn't barked once.
We don't like a dog.
Just-
now. No.
If it was smaller, sure. If it was that small,
Okay,
that's
just come
stupid.
pet him.
Just come. Look, he's so sad. Look, he's so sad.
You.
That's like a wolf. That's not even a dog. At that point, it's not even a dog.
Aman, just come say hi, man.
Come
Wow,
on.
that's so
If
rude.
you guys want to stay, I can take the car and leave. I'm more than welcome to leave.
No, bro, just come say hi to him. He's chill. He's so sad. Look, he's just chilling, Mama.
Mom, come say hi. No.
Just come say hi. Look,
You know that I don't like it though. Why are you forcing me?
Mama, literally just come pet him and that's it.
No.
Why?
Because you know that I don't like it.
Mama, he's a good dog.
For Christmas, look.
He's wearing a bow. Look, we put a bow on me and everything.
Look, Melly, show. See? Melly. I'm
This
scared.
is a dumb video. This is a dumb
What's gonna
video.
happen?
This is
Okay,
a dumb
fine.
video. I don't know what you're
So, any
getting at.
last words for the video? I don't know.
Okay, well, this was kind of a whoa. Okay, this was kind of a fail.
Very chill.
Come
You know how
on.
we feel about that. So get it out here.
Okay, well, all right.
I'm gonna dislike the
That's
video.
about it. All right, well,
Okay, well.
that was a fail, but I mean,
They spent an hour getting making
yeah, we
change.
got some reaction, but I don't think he's staying. I don't know if we're having a dog anytime soon. Sorry, Leo.
Leo, sorry, we still love you.
Yeah.
That's okay.
They're just haters. Anyways, all right. Well, that's the video. Didn't go as planned, but it's fine.
for
So yeah,
watching.
thank you guys
Say
for
bye,
watching.
Mom.
Merry
Say
Christmas.
bye.
Say bye, guys. Merry Christmas. I'm on. Say Merry Christmas. They're so mad. Okay. Anyway,
Alright, bye guys.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Melly, say bye.
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 Mwah.
Yay.
True story.
You guys okay? You're gonna dislike our video? What the hell? You're so rude. Are you mad?
Yes.
Why? It was a joke. So, Mama, can we get a dog?
Ever again. Ever again.
Okay, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
But no dog, okay? You don't know dog.
Was on my dick when I was 13. On the second day of Christmas, I bought an MC Super Sport and I set it on G's.